So the new method I'm going to reveal to you in today's video has the potential to make you up to $350 per day, and you can set this up in less than 10 minutes. We are going to be combining this exclusive design tool, Canva, with the power of affiliate marketing to generate daily commissions. And the best part is this is completely free and you can do this from anywhere in the world. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. If you guys take a look over on the left hand side here, you can see I'm actually on the pro plan of Canva, which I recommend you to upgrade to once you start making money with the method I'm going to show you. Or you can simply take advantage of the 30 days free trial, because the pro plan is going to give you way more features, so you'll be able to use anything that you can see on your screen right now. So moving on with this tutorial, so the next step is coming over to clickbank.com to create a free account for yourself. And if you didn't know, ClickBank is one of the biggest affiliate platforms on the internet. However, if ClickBank is not available in your country, you can join other affiliate platforms like jvzoo.com. You can go over to impact.com, warriorplus.com, or digistore24.com. All you simply need to do here is to join any affiliate marketplace of your choice and create a free account. So for me, I'm going to take ClickBank in this video, and as you can see right here, they have products in pretty much every niche you can think from. As you can see, health and fitness, e-business and e-marketing, spirituality, self-help, home and gardening, and all that. All right. And now if I click on this all section, you are going to see even more niches you can go into on ClickBank. All right. So I'm going to take the e-marketing and e-business as an example. So once I click on that, here you are going to see how much you are going to make for every product you promote on this category. All right. So as you can see, this one right here, live chat jobs, is going to pay us $43 for every sale we make. And if I scroll down here, you can see this another product that is going to pay us $29, and this is another one here, $92. And if you scroll down more, you can see we can get paid up to $147. So the amount of commission you are going to earn is going to depend on the niche you decide to go with. However, the general rule of thumb is to make sure to go for product that is going to pay you at least $50 in affiliate commission, as that way you are going to make more money and it's going to worth your time. And to grab your affiliate link, all you simply need to do once you come over to ClickBank is to click on the promote button. Once you do that, you then want to type in your ClickBank username right here. And once you do that, you'll be able to grab your affiliate link. So moving on to the next step of the tutorial is coming over to cbsnooper.com. And this is a tool that helps affiliates make an informed decision when picking the right product to promote on ClickBank. So all you need to do is to come over to this platform. It's absolutely free to use. Once you create an account, your dashboard is going to look like this. And you want to come over to where it says going up, because this means you're going to see all the products affiliates are currently promoting on ClickBank and making a lot of money on the platform. And if you do that, you are going to see the list of the top products right here. And now you can see this product here is going to pay you $131 for every sale you make. So if I click on the product, as you can see, Product Team, this is the product that is making the most money on ClickBank right now. All right. And if you scroll down, like I said, you're going to get paid $131 for every sale you make. And now you can see the gravity score here over 207, which means a lot of affiliates are currently making money promoting this product right now. So once you pick a product to promote, the next step and the most important step in this video is driving traffic. And the website I'm going to show you today gets over 3.8 billion visits every single month, which you can use to make money in free passive income. And if you're still with me in this video, please drop a like on this video. I really appreciate it. It keeps me motivated to bring more videos like this. And I want you to go over to the comment section right now and type in passive income, as that is the exact strategy I'm about to reveal to you right now. So the website we are going to be using to drive traffic is Pinterest. And now that takes us to the first tool I mentioned in this video, which is Canva. And that is what we are going to be using to design this tool. And don't worry, you don't need to have experience creating designs, as I'm going to show you how to use free templates on Canva to create designs right away. So once you come over to canva.com, all you simply need to do from here is to go over to social media section. And if you come over here, you want to look for Pinterest pin template. All right. So you want to click on Pinterest. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. And by now you must have chosen a product to promote on ClickBank. And now I'm going to take this product right here, bio pills. As you can see, this product is going to pay us $164 for every sale we make. You want to generate your uplink by clicking on generate uplink. So once you type in your username right here, all you simply need to do is to click on generate. And as you can see right here, it has generated my uplink right here. So all I need to do is to copy my uplink. So once I copy the link, all I need to do is to open it in a new tab, as you can see right here. And as you can see, this product is about losing weight, taking this supplement right here. So once people come over to this page and they scroll down and they click to get some of the supplements, as you can see, there are various options right here. So if they select any of the bottles right here and they click on proceed to checkout, it's going to bring them to this page and they enter their details and make this payment. We are going to get paid our commission. And keep in mind, a lot of ClickBank products offer recurring commission, which means as long as people keep purchasing this product, you are going to be making money in passive income. So you want to make sure the design is similar to this landing page as much as possible, all right, because that way it's going to increase your conversion rate. So you want to come over to the search section and search for keyword related to that niche, all right. So now if I come over here and type in health and fitness, so if you do that, as you can see, Canva has provided us with a lot of templates we can use to create our design. So I'm going to take this template here as an example. All you need to do is to click on it. And as you can see, this template has given us tips we can use right here, but you can always come over and change these tips as you want. And to do that, you can simply go over to ChatGPT and type in, give me 100 tips or give me 10 tips, make it less than 100 characters. As you can see, all you simply need to do is to copy these tips right here, and you can simply change this tip like this. It's that simple. So as you can see right here, I have finished creating this design. As you can see, this is the product image of that ClickBank product we are promoting. And as you can see, the colors and everything matches properly. And as you can see right here, visit website. So you want to create design that looks similar to that landing page. All right. So once you do this, this is all you need to do. And you want to click on share and download it to your device. So the next step is to simply come over to pinterest.com and you'll be able to create a free account, as you can see right here. So once you create a free account, you want to come over to where it says create pin and you want to upload the image you created on Canva. So once you do that, you want to add in a captivating title like this and a short description to captivate people's attention so that they check out the link. And if you don't know what to type, it's very simple. All you simply need to do is to go back to the product page of the affiliate product and you can grab a short description about the product from there. So once you do this, this is where you then want to add your link, and this is where I see a lot of people make mistake by adding in the direct ClickBank link, which is going to get your account deleted. So I highly recommend to shorten your link using Linktree or using Beacon AI. This way you'll be able to bypass the Pinterest filter and get your link stay active without getting deleted. So once you add in your Linktree link right here, all you simply then need to do from here is to create a board. So I'm going to name this board weight loss and I want to click on create. Once you do this, you want to add in tags that are related to this product so that Pinterest can push this design to people who are interested in this keyword. All right. So if you do this, this is all you need to do and you want to click on publish. It's this simple. You want to make sure to upload at least 2 pins every single day to get the maximum results using this strategy. If you stay consistent, I can assure you, you're going to get a lot of traffic to this page and you'll start making those affiliate commission using Pinterest free traffic.